habari nzuri, habari nzuri, habari nzuri. Muli bwanji? Ndili bwino. Muli bwanji? Ndili bwino. Muli bwanji? Ndili bwino. How are you? Fine. How are you? Fine. How are you? Fine. Hamjamboni. Mimi ni Jamil. Asante kwa kukutana na mimi katika pindi hii. Wawa ine ni Jamil. Ziko mwambili po kala nani ntawino. Hello, I'm Jamil. Thank you for joining me. In our previous video, we were looking at how to introduce yourself to someone you've met for the first time. And this is someone who is of the same age as you. In today's video, we are going to continue with greetings. But before we go to specific greetings, you have to remember that yesterday we were talking to someone who is of the same age as us, and we used the word Mambo or Mambo vipi. Mambo vipi or Mambo means how is it or hi. So you know, if you're talking to your fellow youth, that means you're going to say how is it or Mambo. Then that one responds Poa. In Chichewa, Bo. Then Ozabo, your response is Bobo, which is like Mambo Poa, Zabo, Bobo. Now today, first of all, you are greeting someone who is older than you. You're not of the same age. In this case, we use the word shikamo. You say shikamo, like the way it is here, shikamo. You say shikamo. Then this one who is older than you is going to respond marahaba. Shikamo, marahaba. Shikamo, marahaba. In Chichewa, that is muli bwanji ndili bwino. Muli bwanji ndili bwino. Now you have greeted someone who is older than you. Now let's go to general greetings. We have to understand that general greetings, Kiswahili, like any other language, depends on time, but the prefix of the greeting remains the same. Similarly, Chichewa greetings also depends on the time, but the prefix of the greeting remains the same. In this case, in Kiswahili, we say Habari, meaning how are you? Habari, how are you? So, if it's in the afternoon, if it's in the morning, you're going to say Habari za asubuhi, meaning how is the morning? Or you can just say za asubuhi, then the response is nzuri. In the afternoon, asubuhi in Kiswahili means morning. Then in the afternoon, you're going to say habari za mchana, or you're simply going to say mchana. In Kiswahili, afternoon is mchana. Now you're going to be like habari za mchana, then the response is going to be salama or mzuri. Then in the evening, you're going to say habari za jioni. Jioni in Kiswahili is evening, then the response will be mzuri or salama. At night, you're going to say habari za usiku or za usiku. Usiku is night in Kiswahili, and the response is mzuri or salama. Now let's go to Chichewa. In Chichewa, just as in Swahili, the prefix remains mulibwanji, 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 and the answer remains tilibwino, tilibwino. But if you want to greet someone in the morning, you're going to say mulibwanji mawa uno. Mawa in Chichewa means morning. So how are you this morning? The answer is mulibwanji mawa uno. The answer is tilibwino, I'm fine. In the afternoon, you're going to say mulibwanji masana uno, and the response will be tilibwino. In the evening, you're going to say mulibwanji madzulo uno, and the response will be tilibwino. At night, you're going to say mulibwanji usiku uno, and the response remains tilibwino. But now you might have noticed that in Kiswahili night is usiku, and in Chichewa night is also usiku. And in Kiswahili, afternoon is mchana, while in Chichewa, afternoon is masana. A recap of what we've just said. What I've said is habari za asubuhi in Kiswahili. In Chichewa, mulibwanji mmawa uno. In English, how are you this morning? In the afternoon, habari za mchana. In Chichewa, mulibwanji masana uno. In English, how are you this afternoon? In the evening, habari za jioni. In Chichewa, mulibwanji madzulo uno. And in English, how are you this evening? At night, habari za usiku. In this video, glad you were there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for other videos that are yet to come. In the next video, we are going to look at how you can greet someone by asking how work was, how kids are, and how the family is. And in the same video, we are also going to look at how you can ask somebody's name, how you can ask where they are from, and how you can ask where they stay. Plus, we are also going to know how to answer if somebody asks us our name, asks us where we are from, and asks us where we stay. Thank you so much for being with us. Swahili, bye-bye. And unfortunately, in Chichewa, we don't have a word for bye, so it's the same bye.